You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we push the latest tech beyond the brochure so you know what it's really capable of. Today, it's all about the Nikon Z9 II, Nikon's flagship mirrorless camera that promises blistering speed, unmatched image quality, and a build tough enough for professionals who live in extreme shooting conditions. This is not just a small upgrade over the Z9, it's Nikon's statement piece for 2025. The moment you hold the Z9 II, you understand what Nikon is aiming for. This isn't a dainty mirrorless body, it's a solid, full-size pro-grade camera. With an integrated vertical grip, weather sealing on par with Nikon's toughest DSLRs, and a design meant to survive months in the field, whether that's a safari in dust storms, a sports arena in the rain, or a frozen mountain summit. It feels like a camera you can trust anywhere. Inside, Z9 II packs a newly refined 45.7 megapixel stacked CMO sensor paired with Nikon's next-gen dual-speed image processors. The readout speed is even faster than the Z9, which means rolling shutter is practically non-existent, even at the camera's insane 30 frames per second in full resolution. RAW, or up to 120 FPS, in 11 megapixel mode for ultra-fast sports coverage. Buffer depth is massive. You can shoot long bursts without hitting a wall. The files just keep flowing to the dual Sphex Press Type B card slots. Autofocus is where the Z9 II takes a big leap. Nikon's updated 3D tracking AF and subject detection are powered by deep learning AI that recognizes people, animals, birds, vehicles, and even aircraft with improved accuracy. Eye detection locks instantly, even at long distances or in low light. It's sticky, confident, and reliable enough for professional sports, wildlife, or event photography, where missed focus is not an option. You can now customize AF behavior more deeply. It's making it easier to adapt to different shooting styles or unpredictable environments. Video shooters are going to love this camera. The Z9 II builds on the already impressive video chops of its predecessor by delivering internal 12-bit RAW up to 8.3K at 60p, 4K oversampled from 8000 at up to 120p, and a host of professional tools like waveform monitoring, unlog, HLG, and ProRes RAW recording. The heat management has been further optimized, letting you record in high resolutions for extended periods without worrying about thermal cutoffs. Rolling shutter is virtually gone, so fast pans or handheld tracking shots look clean. The EVF and rear screen have both seen improvements. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen is now sharper and more responsive. The blackout-free 5.76 m.EVF has higher brightness and refresh rates. It's making it easier to track fast action with no perceptible lag. This combination means whether you're tracking an eagle in flight or a Formula One car, you're seeing it in real time without hesitation. Battery life remains strong thanks to the NAL18D battery, which can push through thousands of stills or hours of video in real-world shooting. USB-C charging and power delivery support make it easy to keep going on location. Nikon's SnapBridge app and built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, have been refined for faster wireless transfer. And for pros working with agencies or sports organizations, the wired Ethernet port and 5G dongle compatibility mean you can transmit images instantly from the field. Image quality is stunning, the dynamic range is broad, high ISO performance is cleaner than ever, and color rendering has that signature Nikon look, rich but natural. Skin tones are beautifully handled, shadow detail is preserved, and the files are incredibly flexible in post. Whether you're working in RAW or JPEG, the Z9 II has also improved pixel shift high-resolution modes for studio work, giving you ultra-detailed stills that rival medium format and clarity. This camera is not for everyone. It's big, it's expensive, and it's unapologetically aimed at professionals or extremely serious enthusiasts who demand speed, reliability, and versatility in one tool. But if that's you, the Z9 II is one of the most complete cameras you can buy right now. It's not just about megapixels or frame rates, it's about the confidence that every shot will land. Every time, no matter the conditions. The Nikon Z9 II isn't just an update. It's Nikon pushing mirrorless to the edge of what's currently possible, and then making it reliable enough for real-world work. For those who need the absolute best, this might just be the camera to beat in 2025. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we test the tech that professionals actually depend on, so you know if it's worth your investment.